So here's the best way to promote your Fiverr affiliate link. It's quite simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any steps. The first thing you're going to do is open any browser on your system, head over to the search box and type Fiverr affiliate. Now click on the first link, and here in the top right corner, click on join now if you don't have an account yet, or click on login if you do. Enter your username and password, and click on login. Now here's the dashboard for Fiverr Affiliate. Click on Marketing Tools and then click on the third option, Default and Deep Links. On the right side, you can see LP URL. Here you're going to put your URL of a Fiverr gig. Now open another tab and type Fiverr in the search box. Here you can see different types of services that people are offering. If you want to promote a specific type of service, just type the service into the search box. Now look through different gigs and select the one that you feel is the best. Open the Fiverr gig and check their work. If they truly have good ratings on their gig, copy their URL from the top. Now click on the first tab with the Fiverr affiliates open. Paste the link you copied into the LP URL section. Now create another tab and open your Facebook account. In it, as Facebook is one of the best places to promote Fiverr affiliate links. Once your Facebook account is open, you can see a search box in the top left corner. Type need and then search for the service you are promoting. Click on the post, and now you can see many posts about needing that service. Open their comment section one by one, but before promoting that link, open another tab and type URL shortener. In there, convert your long Fiverr affiliate link into a small shortened URL. Now you go back to the comment section of those Facebook posts and promote your link in each of them. If you come back to the Fiverr affiliates dashboard, you can see all the information there. If someone buys a service from your link, you will automatically get a 10% commission on that service, and it will appear in your Fiverr affiliates account.